Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Cloud Deployment for AI. Launching your AI on AWS, Azure, or GCP. You've spent time building your amazing AI model. Maybe it recognizes images, understands text, or predicts trends. But where does it actually live when it's ready to help people? Your laptop is like a small kitchen where you baked a fantastic cake. Your AI model. To sell that cake to the world, you can't just keep it on your counter. You need a proper bakery. Maybe even a chain of bakeries. That bakery chain is the cloud. It's a vast network of powerful computers available over the internet, ready to host your AI so everyone can use it. Why can't your AI just run on your computer forever? Your laptop has limits. It might be fast for personal use. But if thousands or millions of people want to use your AI simultaneously, it would crash. The cloud offers solutions. 1. Power and speed. Imagine needing a super fast industrial oven for your cake. The cloud provides powerful, virtual supercomputers, often with special hardware like GPUs, that can handle complex AI calculations incredibly quickly. 2. Scalability. If your bakery suddenly gets 1 million customers, you need to quickly expand production. The cloud lets your AI automatically scale up, get more power, resources when demand is high and scale down when it's low. 3. Accessibility. Your AI can be accessed by anyone, anywhere in the world, 24/7. It's like having bakery branches in every city. 4. Cost effectiveness. Instead of buying and maintaining your own supercomputer, you just rent computing power by the hour or minute, paying only for what you use. Think of the cloud as a massive city, and there are 3 major landlords providing the infrastructure: Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. These are the biggest players, each offering a comprehensive suite of services, including those specifically designed for AI and machine learning. While they all offer similar core capabilities, their interfaces, specific service names, and pricing models can differ. For a beginner, it's often best to pick one and get familiar, knowing that the core concepts are transferable. The most fundamental way to get computing power in the cloud is through a virtual machine. VM. Imagine you're renting a computer that exists purely as software on a giant server in a data center. You get to choose its specs, how many processing cores, CPUs, how much memory, RAM, what kind of graphics cards, GPUs if needed for AI, and what operating system, like Linux or Windows, it runs. You then connect to this virtual computer remotely and install all your AI software, just like you would on your own machine. It gives you maximum control but requires more setup. While VMs give you full control, the cloud titans also offer specialized AI toolkits that make deploying AI much easier. These are services like AWS SageMaker, Azure Machine Learning, and GCP Vertex AI. Instead of manually setting up everything on a VM, these services provide pre-configured environments and automated workflows specifically for AI. They help you train, manage, and deploy your models faster, often turning your trained model into a usable API endpoint with just a few clicks. Think of them as specialized, AI-optimized kitchens in our bakery, where everything is set up for baking and distributing cakes efficiently. Let's outline the typical steps to get your AI model from your laptop to the cloud. 1. Prepare your model. Your AI is trained, tested, and saved in a standard format, like a .pth or H5 file. This is your delicious baked cake. 2. Choose your cloud platform. Decide if you're using AWS, Azure, or GCP? 3. Pick your tool. Will you deploy on a general-purpose VM for maximum control or use a specialized ML service for convenience? 4. Set up the environment. Install necessary libraries, like TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, Python, and any other dependencies. If using an ML service, it often handles much of this. 5. Deploy as an API endpoint. This is crucial. You'll wrap your AI model so other applications can send it data, e.g., an image, and receive its prediction, e.g., cat, over the internet. It's like setting up a vending machine for your cake slices. 6. Test and monitor. Make sure your deployed AI works correctly and keeps performing well under different loads. Cloud resources cost money. Here are vital tips. 1. Turn things off. This is the golden rule. If you're not actively using your VM or ML service, shut it down or pause it. Unlike your laptop, cloud resources cost money even when idle. Always remember to turn off the lights when you leave the room. Single quote. 2. Monitor your usage. Set up cost alerts to notify you if your spending exceeds expectations. 3. Start small. Begin with the smallest, cheapest resources you need and scale up only if necessary. 4. Security first. Don't expose your AI's backend or sensitive data to the public internet without proper security measures. Congratulations! Understanding cloud deployment means you're ready to take your AI creations beyond your personal computer and into the hands of users worldwide. This lesson has provided a high-level overview. Your next step is to choose a platform, AWS, Azure, or GCP, and dive into their specific documentation and tutorials to perform your first actual AI deployment. It's an exciting step towards building real-world AI applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.